In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix WhatsApp Web when it's not loading on Google Chrome. If you're tired of staring at a blank screen or waiting endlessly for your chats to appear, stick around. I'll show you how to troubleshoot step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have WhatsApp back up and running in your browser smoothly and reliably. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's tackle the simple fixes that solve most loading issues. Start by reloading the page. Yes, I know it may sound basic, but sometimes a quick refresh is all you need, like shaking a stuck vending machine to get things moving. Just click the refresh button or hit F5 on your keyboard. If that doesn't help, try logging out and logging back in. Click the three dots menu in the top left of WhatsApp Web. Select Log Out and then scan the QR code with your phone to sign back in. Sometimes the connection between your phone and browser gets a little out of sync, and this step can put things right. Now, it's crucial to check your internet connection. WhatsApp Web relies on your computer and your phone both having solid internet. Either device is on a flaky network, WhatsApp won't load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or even moving to a different spot. Sometimes the simplest changes make the biggest difference. Don't forget, if you're in a public place or somewhere with spotty coverage, that can really affect how quickly WhatsApp loads. Another thing to keep in mind, there are rare occasions when WhatsApp servers are actually down. To check for this, pop over to the official WhatsApp social pages or a site like Down Detector. If other people are reporting issues, then the problem might be outside your control, and it's just a waiting game until things are back online. Alright, if none of the initial fixes have worked, let's troubleshoot Chrome itself. Sometimes your browser can be holding on to old data that's stopping WhatsApp from loading correctly. Clearing your cache and cookies gives Chrome a fresh start. Head to Chrome's settings, click on Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you tick Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once you clear everything, restart Chrome completely and try opening WhatsApp Web again. A lot of loading problems disappear immediately after clearing old browser data because Chrome rebuilds fresh website files automatically. If you prefer, you can go even deeper. Hit F12 to open Developer Tools, switch to the Application tab, select Storage, and click Clear Site Data. This targets WhatsApp Web directly, so it's a handy trick if other websites are working but WhatsApp is not. Sometimes a regular browser window can't get past stored problems, so open WhatsApp Web in an incognito window. This mode ignores your current cookies and extensions, making it a great way to test if something in your regular browsing setup is causing trouble. Speaking of browser extensions, they can sometimes conflict with sites like WhatsApp Web. If you've got ad blockers, privacy tools, or other add-ons installed, go to Chrome's Extensions menu and temporarily disable them. The same goes for VPNs or proxy connections. They're great for privacy, but they can disrupt how WhatsApp Web connects. Switch these off for a moment and see if it makes a difference. If you're still stuck, double-check that Chrome is up to date. Go to the three dots menu in the top right, hover on Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically search for updates and install them if needed. An outdated browser can cause all sorts of unexpected issues. And finally, if nothing's worked so far, you can reset Chrome settings to default. This is a bit like hitting the reset button on your phone. It'll wipe out any custom tweaks or problematic configurations you might not even know about. Just go to Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Don't worry, Chrome makes this pretty painless, and it often solves those stubborn, unexplained problems. Also, make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while using WhatsApp Web. If your phone disconnects from Wi-Fi or loses signal, WhatsApp Web may stop loading or disconnect automatically in Chrome. And that's basically it. One of these methods usually fixes WhatsApp Web loading problems in Google Chrome pretty quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need extra help, drop a comment below. I always read and try to reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.